Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And right now, when we hit 5 subs, I will release my fan code 10 house tour. So, welcome to my channel, and welcome to Blizzard GT's channel. My first ever video, a little all about me. I will play Gorilla Tag and other games. I want AA creator and finger painter soon. There will be some just funny moments and random stuff along the way. Also, if I do play Scary Baboon, I don't know how to add jump scare warnings, but if you see me being chased by a monster, just get prepared. Yeah, so that's a little all about me, just so you know. Yeah, basically that's it. Also, here's a little free book.